Started out as a good day this morning, and then look what it turned in. Stay tuned for the video. Watch the entire thing. It's really good. Terrible thing happened. My brother wrecked the ATS-V. Donnie just came and picked it up and dropped it off. But let's get straight into the video.
X-band, K-band.
Dogs on the road. They like the Mustang. Just filling up real quick.
Did I give him some revs?
Yeah.
You think so? Yeah. Y'all better hear the big booty seal less, alright? Alright, ready? Woo. Seal less is the only way to go. Don't underestimate Mercedes, you know?
That's what freedom sounds like, boys. And we just had the QT. We got my boy Jacob right there. Some kind of Focus got pulled over. Come here, Jacob. That's my boy F90 Jacob. Yo, what happened to that boy over there?
He was coming in hot.
Crazy night. We got Jacob out there. I don't know what's going on.
My exhaust is not legal, it's stock. It's not California. I said it's stock, you said it's not stock.
He's getting people for loud exhaust even though they're stock. Got another fellow Mustang owner.
God forbid someone has a loud car, bro.
You're screwed.
I can't even start it.
They pulled the driver out of the car for a loud exhaust. What's going on? Probably making him park it and get it towed. Got another one that pulled up. Well, it didn't end good for that guy. guys, so Donnie just dropped off my brother's ATS-V. Just crashed into a tree.
Let's show him. Let's go show him.
Dude, good thing it wasn't that major. Quarter panel, he hit a pole. He was trying to drift it, lost control, couldn't handle the whatever 600 horsepower this car has. and crashed into a tree, and we're gonna have to rebuild it right now. All right, Donnie, so you picked up Ronnie's car, and can you tell us what happened? Because you were at the crash site. What happened?
Sad day for Ronnie, but it's all right. We're going to get it nice and fixed up. He called me up right away. I'm like, I'll be there right away. And look what we got here. This thing was in a tree. Man, probably like 3 times the size of that, as you can tell. It slid in there. He couldn't control this car.
The tires were still good. What was he trying to do? Was he trying to drift, or what was going on?
The interior though, the interior's real nice. We gotta show them the car because they ain't never seen the car
Luckily,
yet.
during the crash, none of the airbags deployed, so that's a plus. Check it out. I mean, he's got the gauges. I mean, do you know what's done? What did Ronnie do to this
I
thing,
have
or no?
no idea. Ronnie never even showed me this car before.
Dang.
He was keeping this thing hidden in the garage. I don't know.
Pop the hood and see what we're working with.
All right. Let's show him. How do you open this up? It's like a carbon hood, right? Struggling.
Stage 2, or what do you think?
No idea, man. We got some
Pipe,
aftermarket. What is this? Intakes,
arch pipes,
charge pipes. Hold on, we gotta see what's under here.
but turbos,
Where the turbos at? Where the turbos?
they're down. It probably looks all stock down there.
I don't know. We're gonna have to rip this thing once it's done.
But police luckily did not come to the crash site.
Yeah. Police, no police. We don't do none of that. Ronnie or not Ronnie. Donnie. That's me right there. On the ram over there. Let's go show him the ram. Yeah, that was the rig right there. We got a winch on that thing.
I mean, the tire was kind of jammed. The quarter panel hit the tire over there on the ATS-V. You had to winch it on there. Man, it ripped out this panel.
Yeah, I don't know what happened there.
I mean, I guess when it hit the tree, it slung him really good in there. He's in the hospital right now.
Yeah, should be okay though. Look at these seatbelts. L&D Solutions got them right.
But start it up and see. Let's see what she sounds like.
Let's see if it starts.
Cold start sounding pretty good. Let's let it warm up. Maybe give it some revs.
Alcohol PTC, don't know what that is.
6.
Probably something for the E85 if this thing has it.
All right, it's warmed up. Give it a little juice, Ronnie. Sounds pretty good for a V6.
Sounds alright.
If y'all didn't see the last video, CT5 Blackwing video was up. We ripped the hell out of that thing, so this thing should be just as fun, if not faster.
Wish Ronnie well. We gonna make his car right. He gonna come out of the hospital ripping this thing again.
Drop a R for Ronnie down below.
Yeah, drop a R. They just don't learn. Dude, side skirt, it would not come out of the tree, yo. That thing was like in the tree. I don't know how it made it. Dude, it didn't even get hit right there, but it still made it into the tree.
All right, guys, so Ronnie's, he did a lot of upgrades to it. Carbon fiber, upgraded trailer hitch. He towed a jet ski last summer with it. He had really a lot of fun with the car, but right now, Ronnie's not doing too well. Once again, drop an R for Ronnie down below in the comments.
Drop a R, drop a R.
All right, guys, so if y'all know where I can get some parts for Ronnie's build, drop a comment down below and follow me on Instagram at Big Motion World right here. And stay tuned for the next video. We're going to try to rebuild the car. I heard the quarter panels are the same from my ATS, so regular, not a V. So we're going to try to go to the junkyard, get ourselves a quarter panel. But if y'all guys have any other parts, rear bumper, rear left suspension, anything like that, let me know in the comments down below. That way we can save some money, help Ronnie out with the rebuild. And once again, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe down below, leave a like. That'll help out the algorithm a lot. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, and peace.
That giveaway's over,
Come
bro.
on, just do it.
All right, guys, if y'all want to win a set of wheels, we're going to buy a new set, and we're going to be giving them away. All you got to do is drop a like and subscribe.
Oh.
Subscribe down below, and
We'll see you in the next video.